Tom, I am logging in now.
Is the DMV website still down?
No, it is working tonight.
We must find a slot soon.
There is one for tomorrow morning.
What time is the appointment?
It is at 8 o'clock sharp.
That is early, but I'll take it.
I know you hate the bus.
2 hours each way is crazy.
I can't let you suffer more.
So did you confirm the slot?
Yes, the confirmation code is here.
Please print the email, Sarah.
I am printing 2 copies now.
One for me, one for safety.
Exactly. We cannot make mistakes.
I hope I can pass tomorrow.
You will. I'll help you. Oh my goodness, look at this.
The line is around the corner.
It is only 7:30 now.
I told you about this, Sarah.
You wanted to come at 6?
Yes, now we wait in line.
But we have a confirmed appointment.
Does it matter in this place?
Look, there are 2 separate lines.
Which one is for the appointments?
The one on the left side.
It is much shorter than others.
Thank God we did it online.
I still hate this slow system.
Relax, honey. We're almost there.
My hands are freezing right now.
Put your hands in my pocket.
No, I need to hold the folder.
Is the folder safe and dry?
Yes, I am holding it tight.
Good morning. We have an appointment.
Show me the confirmation code first.
It is right here, sir.
Under the name of Tom Miller?
Yes, that is my husband.
Is this for a real ID?
Yes, we want the real ID.
I need to see his passport.
Here is the original passport.
Do you have the SSN card?
Yes, here is the Social Security.
I need 2 proofs of residency.
Here is a recent bank statement.
That is one. Where is another?
Here is the apartment lease agreement.
Is this the signed original copy?
Yes, it has both our names.
Everything looks correct for now.
Can we get a number now?
Go to window 8. Wait there.
Why are you shaking, Tom?
I'm checking the bank statement date.
Is there something wrong with it?
This is from last year, Sarah.
What? Let me see that paper.
It says January 2025. Oh no.
That is 1 year old now.
They need it within 90 days.
I printed the wrong file yesterday.
They will reject my whole application.
Wait, look inside my small bag.
What are you looking for, Sarah?
I have the car insurance card.
Does it show our current address?
Yes, it has the correct address.
Let me check the expiration date.
It expires in June next year.
Is this enough for the second?
Yes, the guard said it's okay.
Thank God you brought your bag.
Number G45, please come forward.
Hello? Here are my documents, ma'am.
Passports, SSN, and 2 residency proofs.
They are all in this folder.
Let me verify the address details.
Is the insurance card acceptable?
Yes, it is a valid proof.
I was worried about the dates.
These dates are fine. Look here.
Should I look at the lens?
Not yet. Give me your thumbs.
Right thumb or left thumb?
Right one first. Press it hard.
Okay. Now the left one?
Correct. Now read the eye chart.
Which line should I read?
Read line 4 from left.
A, F, P, Z, D, E.
Stand in front of the wall.
Can I smile just a bit?
No, do not smile at all.
Why is smiling not allowed?
It is for the facial scan.
Okay, I am not smiling now.
Look at the green light.
Is it going to flash?
3, 2, 1. Flash. Stay still.
Did the photo come out?
Yes, it is a clear photo.
Can I see it, please?
No. Go pay the fee now.
You were inside for a long time.
The questions were very tricky, Sarah.
Did you answer every question?
I used the skip button a lot.
How many did you skip?
I skipped 5 difficult questions,
That was a very smart strategy.
but they came back at the end.
Did you have to answer them?
Yes, I had to face them.
How many mistakes did you make?
The screen said 3 errors.
Only 3? That is great.
I thought the limit was lower.
You can miss up to 6.
So I didn't fail the test?
No, you passed the written test.
My heart is still beating fast.
I knew you could do it.
1 step closer to driving.
You are a smart student.
Thank you for your support.
Tom, you have the paper.
I finally have the permit.
Let me see the printout.
It is my instruction permit,
You are a legal learner.
but I'm still limited.
I know. No driving alone.
I must have you nearby.
That is the law, Tom.
I want my own license.
We must book road tests.
Check the website for dates.
The waiting list is long.
Is it more than a month?
Sometimes it takes 2 months.
2 months? That's crazy.
Everyone wants to take it.
I need to practice more.
We will practice at dawn.
Before you go to work?
Yes, the roads are empty.
You are so supportive, Sarah.
Because I want my driver.
I will be ready soon.
I am so hungry now, Tom.
Let's go have a big lunch.
You're buying, Mr. Driver.
My pleasure, my supervisor.